Here is a quick one. Most people mess this up. If you divide 30 by half and add 10, what do you get? Take a second. Write your answer below before I show you. No calculators, just your brain. Most people quickly say 25 because they think half of 30 is 15 and 15 plus 10 is 25. But this is wrong because the word says if you divide 30 by half, it doesn't say divide in half. It says divide 30 by half. That means we divide 30 by half and add 10. That means 30 divided by half plus 10. Now 30 divided by half is the same thing as multiplying 30 by 2 and then adding 10. So 30 times 2 will give 60 plus 10 and then the answer will be 70. So let me know, did you get it right or did you make the mistake?